Dreams are what make us human, but dreaming without action and without the right approach is of no use. Talking about the EV dream of India, can I ask you some serious questions as to how we are going to achieve this dream? Have we really thought about the kind of products that are coming to the Indian roads? Have they been built for India? Were they ever designed or validated for Indian conditions? Talking about technology, have you ever thought of building technology ground up? Because one thing I can tell you, every country is on its own. We need to develop technologies for our own conditions, the types of vehicles that we have, the way we use them. Talking about the talent pool which is required to build those technologies, how are we growing those talent pool? Where are those people? How can we attract them to build technology locally in India and for our requirements? And another question, how are we going to scale up gigafactories? We spoke about 50 gigawatt hours of production in India by 2030. People are setting up single factories of much more than that size today in the world. How is the infra going to come up? Do we have the right kind of power lines, the grid lines, which can support fast charging, which can support the grid infrastructure required for EV charging in general? And what about regulations and policies? Can we take a shortcut over there? Can we really just copy paste standards and use them to validate vehicles which can go on Indian roads? I think the answer to many of these questions is no, or needs to be seriously thought about. And that's why I say that unless and until we really have the right solutions, the right answers to these questions, the EV dream of India has a high probability of catching fire.